Hello friend, in this video we'll discuss about 108 view external power panel of Airbus 320 family. So you can see external power, there is a two light. First is white, not in use. Indicator white color light indicator come on when the external power available, but it is not being used by the aircraft. It will goes off when you are selecting external power from the cockpit overhead panel on. Second is available light will come only when the external power is available. Then flight interphone for communication between the cockpit and ground mechanic. And blue light will come on when the cockpit call the ground mechanic for any requirement. So from the cockpit you can get call from this blue indication. Adrio avionics vent and ELT will discuss in the last. APU fire, red light come on in case of APU having fire, and there is a APU shut off button which is guarded, used for emergency shut off of the APU in case of fire. A reset button used for the resetting all the light. Cockpit call to call cockpit crew from the ground by the mechanic. Now about the light test push button, there is a condition if ground power is not available and aircraft is running with APU, adrio and avionics vent and ELT light will only tested. So just remember, if there is no GPU, aircraft is running with the APU, you will test only ELT and adrio avionics vent system light. If ground power is available and APU is not running, then external power not in use, external power available, cockpit call, APU fire, adrio avionics vent and ELT. This all the light will be tested. I have uploaded a video practically, you can see in the last. Now the good to know is that ELT and adrio avionics vent. ELT indicator light is directly supplied from the 28 volt DC hot bus. So if you in case of aircraft is dead also something happen with ELT, that light will automatically come into the picture. Same for adrio and avionics vent, caution light will supply from the 28 volt hot bus. So this will also blink in case of you forget to switch off the adrio 1 and 2 3 from the cockpit. This light will come and you will feel horn also, because this is connected with the hot bus. And or in case of any issue with avionics system, this light will come into the picture. Now you will see the practically I am going to make a light test with APU running condition. You can see only ELT and adrio avionics light is on for the test. Now GPU is connected, you can see GPU is in use and I am making light test. You can see all the lights are glowing for the test.